what are you doing?
I'm doing nothing. Hey, guys! Strap in, and what if you We can now start the new intro! It's time for the elimination time! Whoa, catchy intro. Don't kill, you're up first. Bush, with 15,706 votes, you are safe. Bush in the pot is also safe with 13,920. It's down to I and 7 Dad. Well, you're safe with 10,640 votes. Wait, no! Poop, you're safe at 19,024 votes. Dynamite is also safe with 13,242 votes. It's really close, but Cap, you're safe with 10,240 votes. Sorry, Candy Pop, you're out with 9,992 votes. Whatever. I suppose we should have a team swap. This is your new team. Awesome, we should have a team name. Our team name should be Tipsy. And this is your team. Don't kill. Again? And this is your team.
Let's be called PC.
Wait, which one? Ding, ding. And this is the final team. Funny, yes. Funny, yes. We can finally get to the contest. Challenge is to not die. Go!
Killing? Okay, guys. This is my type of challenge.
Hey, we need to go to the largest threats. Don't Kill Again has a big amount of members. Let's go for theirs.
Okay. Boom, ding, 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 dong, boom, ding, ding, ding.
Should we get involved? Nah. Bing! Whoa! Welcome, Sugar. How do you know my name? Silly Sugar, I've been watching you guys all the time. I even know that you almost won a season. Yes, I was there. And you got multiple chances. And I respect that. For a sign of my respect, here's a win token. Bye now. Wait, who are you? Gotcha. Blink. Zoom. Ha. Boom. Well, that means Funny, yes, and Don't Kill Again are up for elimination. Oh, you want to be safe from both teams? Vote in the comments. Whoa, what have you guys been doing here? We've been stuck in 17's head for ages. Yeah, can one of us join? Maybe 2 of you guys can join. Viewers, you can also vote for a debut for 2 of the contests. This game. I know who's my next victim.